Hey everyone, Storm Show meteorologist Jason Myers here. It is Thursday, July 3rd. It's July 4th Eve for us. Yesterday it was actually pretty busy in the Northeast. Saw quite a few wind damage reports. We had one incident of a tornado, but it didn't come in the Northeast. It was actually in Texas. Very brief landspout tornado. Really did no damage whatsoever. It was in a rural area. The highlight yesterday was from Virginia all the way up into Maine. A lot of wind damage reports, a little bit of hail, and then another little hot spot happened in Louisiana and Mississippi yesterday. And today it looks like the target is once again going to be the Northeast. Now Hurricane Arthur is kind of putting a damper on forecasts. This is what's going on. We have this slight risk spanning again from Virginia all the way up to Maine, slightly smaller than what we saw yesterday. Biggest threat will once again be wind, and the hail threat is slightly smaller. Tornado threat smaller yet. We could see a few very small spin-up tornadoes, especially as Arthur gets a little bit closer. So why is wind the biggest threat? Well, looking in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we can actually see there is a little bit of cape going on from Virginia up to Maine, but what we're really looking at is this trough in the upper levels of the atmosphere, really digging down and then moving to the north again. And out ahead of this, we're seeing some pretty strong winds exiting this trough, and as a result, the upper level winds are strong, and that's going to transition down into down at the surface, and we'll see some strong winds associated with some thunderstorms later today in the afternoon and the evening. Forecast models are showing a lot of those storms popping up. It looks like later this afternoon and this evening. Notice not a lot of activity going on this morning, but as we move into the afternoon, we start to see, well, about 2 o'clock, some storms forming right along Virginia and West Virginia right there. And then as we head later into the evening, we see more of these storms really firing up. This is about 7 o'clock in the evening local time, 8, 9, 10, and there you have it, more of those storms moving into the evening hours. Meanwhile, Hurricane Arthur is getting ready to approach, it looks like North Carolina. There is a small possibility it makes landfall on the Outer Banks there, right on the edge of North Carolina along the coast. Going to keep a close eye on this, and of course I'll have the tropical update for Hurricane Arthur in another video here coming up shortly. In the meantime, stay safe, enjoy your holiday weekend. I will see you next time.